In this short tutorial, you will learn how to fix YouTube sound no longer playing through Bluetooth device. This is a common issue that many people face. The good news is that it is quick and easy to solve, and I will guide you step by step so you can enjoy your videos with sound again. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, tap Connections. And then tap Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and you are connected to the Bluetooth device you want to use. Then look for the gear icon next to your connected Bluetooth device. Tap on it to access Bluetooth settings related to that device. Here, you will see a switch next to audio. Make sure this switch is turned on so that audio can be played through your Bluetooth device. If there's an option for calls, you can toggle it off if you don't need call audio through the same device. Next, tap where it says Audio Device Type. This is where you can choose what kind of Bluetooth device you're using. If it is headphones, select headphones. If it's a speaker, select speaker. After making these changes, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Vibration. This will bring up various sound options for your phone. Next, scroll down until you find Separate App Sound. Tap on that option to continue. Then tap App. Now you will see a list of apps. Find the YouTube app in this list and deselect it. This means YouTube will no longer use the separate audio feature. Now, go back and tap where it says Audio Device. And then select Bluetooth device. After doing this, check if the sound is now working through your Bluetooth speaker or headphones. If you still cannot hear any sound from YouTube, don't worry. The next step is to turn off the separate app sound feature completely. To do that, simply toggle off this switch. This should help solve any issues with audio playback on YouTube when using a Bluetooth device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.